everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today I have some quick tips for you for when you're using Yukon Gold potatoes. First of all, cook your potatoes with the peel on. They're more flavorful that way, they'll hold their shape better, and they will absorb less water. So this is assuming that you're boiling those potatoes. And then if you want to remove the peel, allow them to cool just a little bit, enough so that you can handle them, and the peel will be very easy to remove that way. When you're boiling potatoes, and this would apply to any type of potato, put the potato in the water when the water is still cold, okay? If you wait until the water is boiling and then drop the potato in there, it's not going to cook evenly, and the outer part of the potato is going to be cooked faster than the inside of the potato, and it's going to be kind of mushy on the outside and not as cooked on the inside. So remember to add your potatoes to the water when the water is cold. You can make a really easy soup with Yukon Gold potatoes by simply cutting them up and adding them to some chicken or some vegetable stock with leafy vegetables of your choice, and maybe some other vegetables as well. Throw some garlic and onions in there and you'll have a really good soup along the way. How about using some leftover baked potatoes for quick hash browns the next day? And this would apply to Yukon Golds or any type of potato for that matter, but Yukon Golds would really be good in that. You could also take some leftover baked potatoes, cut them into thick slices, brush them with a little bit of fat of your choice, whether it's oil, butter, coconut oil, whatever you like. Sprinkle them with seasonings of your choice and then bake them at around 400, 425 for 35, 45 minutes. Turn them once in a while. Call them done when they're golden brown, and they will be really good that way. You can make some really easy garlicky mashed potatoes by adding some peeled cloves of garlic in the water with the potatoes, and then just mash everything all together. Don't worry about removing those garlic cloves. They won't have quite the sharp sting to them that they would have if they were raw. And just mash them right along in with the potatoes, and they'll be really good that way. How about dressing up some mashed potatoes by adding some chopped vegetables of your choice, maybe some chopped broccoli in there. Sprinkle on some cheese of your choice. Cheddar cheese would be good with the broccoli on top of the mashed potatoes or mixed in with them, and it would be a nice treat that way, something a little different. How about topping some mashed potatoes with some pesto of your choice, or dress them up by sprinkling them with an herb of your choice, maybe some scallions, parsley, and thyme. Something like that. It would add a different flair to the mashed potatoes. You can also use leftover mashed potatoes to thicken soups or stews within a day or two of making them. That would be some easy way to utilize leftover mashed potatoes and embellish your soup that way. You can also use leftover mashed potatoes and make them into patties. Add about 2 cups of mashed potatoes with 1 or 2 eggs or egg substitutes, about 1/4 cup of flour or even breadcrumbs, and the seasonings of your choice: salt, pepper, garlic, onions, cheese, whatever you like in there. Form them into patties and then saute them in a skillet, or maybe even if you don't want to saute them, you might even be able to put them in an oven on a sheet of parchment paper and try it that way. But I think they'll be drier in the oven than if you were to saute them on the stove. How about using baked potatoes instead of boiled potatoes for mashed potatoes? The baked potatoes will be less watery, they'll be more flavorful, and they'll be richer for you that way. So give that a try sometime. Well, I do hope these suggestions help. If you have any other tips you want to add that in the comment section below. It would be good to share with others. This is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.